Hi guys, Avi from Red Time Mortgages. Hope everyone is doing fine. First of all, thank you very much for supporting our first three videos, intro, loan process, and credit guide. So now that you have received the credit guide from the broker, what is next? The next is loan interview. So I have decided to make this video into three parts. The first part is why. Why do we collect the information? Why do we do the loan interview? What is collected in the loan interview and how we are going to use it, how the brokers are going to use this information. So let's start with why. Why is a very important question. NCCP, if you have not heard of it before, let me explain to you what is NCCP. NCCP means National Consumer Credit Protection. It is an act that was established in 2009. Again, I will repeat it. National Consumer Credit Protection Act. What does that mean? That means that you are protected under this act. Broker has to make sure that whatever he does this under this act. This act protects the customer itself because customer is the center figure of the loan process. So now what is the obligation under this act? So one of the main obligations under this act is to make sure the loan is not unsuitable for you. So you must have heard this term. If you have heard this term, then what is loan unsuitable? So loan unsuitable in a very simple term means that you can pay off your loan not only today but in future without any substantial hardship, without any difficulty. So every lender has set out a criteria, conditions for you to qualify for that loan. The purpose of this exercise, the loan interview, is to make sure that you fulfill those conditions and can you get the loan or not, or how much you can get, what are your needs. It's the best opportunity for the broker to ask relevant questions and make reasonable inquiries regarding your financials, your goals and objectives. So financials is your income, your assets and liabilities, and goal. What is a goal? So goal, every customer, every client, every single person has different goals. So a basic goal is what you want to do with the loan. Do you want to get rid of the loan in the next 5-10 years? What's your plan? Do you want to buy an investment property from this loan in the next 5 to 6 years? So what you want to do, that's your goal, what you want to achieve. An objective. Objective is simple. Is the owner occupied or investment? What kind of property is it? What is your objective behind getting the loan? That's it. So this was why it is necessary to have a loan interview. So now the question is what? So what is collected? The first and foremost thing any broker is going to do is set up an agenda for the meeting. So he's going to let you know in writing what is expected of the meeting, what are the objectives of the meeting, what's the objective of the loan interview. The main objective is to verify your ID, verify your income, and verify your living expenses. So how are we going to do it? To verify your ID, you need your driving license. And why you need to verify? The broker needs to know who he or she is giving assistance to. Then you need your 2 recent pay slips and an employment contract to verify your employment. And thirdly, bank statement to verify your living expenses. So these are the general documents. Every broker works in a different way. So you might be required to have more documents ready beforehand. So communicate with your broker. And one very important thing, I can't stress more on it. I'm going to write it in bold letters on the left hand side. Make sure, very necessary, make sure all the applicants are available on the interview day. Please. Otherwise this whole exercise has no meaning. I can't put more emphasis on it. So now the agenda has been set. The broker has come to you, see you, or you have gone to see the broker. So generally, broker starts with an open-ended question. So what is open-ended question? Like you're sitting next to me, all right? So to open up the conversation, to break that ice, I'm gonna ask you a very simple question. What kind of house are you looking for? Do you have considered a house, or what is your plan? All of a sudden there's a picture in your mind. And you start talking to me. We are looking for this kind of a house which has a nice porch, a nice kitchen bench, nice, like decent size bedrooms. So I might ask another question. Why are you buying in the location? What kind of location you're buying in? You might go, oh, because our relatives live there, my kid's school is close to it, or any other reason. So what I've done is now you're more comfortable. And this is the whole questioning thing, is to make you comfortable.